Hello everyone. From the picture shown to us, I have perceived a character who is 17 years old and whose name is Siddharth. He is studying in Kendriya Vidyalaya Railways campus, and there is also a supporting character who is the teacher in that school. And the action of my story is the reward for the step to cleanliness. So my story goes like this. It was the starting of the academic session, and everybody was in their class. Siddharth was also sitting in his class, and the teacher came and started teaching about the Swachh Bharat mission. And Siddharth was very motivated by his lesson, and while going back to his home, he went to the uncleaned river and he started cleaning that river. And the teacher who was teaching that Swachh Bharat mission lesson was very much happy after seeing him. So the very next day when he went back to the school, he was rewarded by the teacher. That's it. Thank you.
Hello friends, I have observed one male character from the picture shown to us and a statue, and the male character was the hero of my story, and the action of my story is overcoming from difficulties. And Ram, who's a boy who was very depressed from his life, and he realized that he cannot continue with that mood in the further future. So it was a month of September, and there was a festival of Dashera, and after that festival he made a statue and fired at and just wipe out every negativity and all the difficulties, and continue with that mood in the future and become a successful person in his life. Thank you.
From the picture we have shown, I have observed a male character named Jacob. He is 20 years old and he is a central character of my story. He is in neutral mode, and the action of my story is he is visiting his mother's cemetery. And here my story goes. Jacob is visiting his mother's cemetery, and he is very well, and he is remembering her words and all the memories they have shared together. He has affected his mental health and physical health by mourning over his mother's accident, but now he has decided to move on and start a fresh life from the new beginning, and decided higher goals and aims for the further life.
Hello friend, I have observed one character from picture soon.
Hello friends, I have observed a single character, which is of course my main character of the story. His name is Ram, and he is around 22 years old, and he recently got a call that his mother has gotten into an accident. He moved towards the desired destination and took his mother to the hospital, but unfortunately it was too late. His mother had already been died. After some days, when covering all the jitters, he went to his mother's graveyard. He mourned over her and remembered the memories between her mother and himself, and then he went home for He went back home in order to complete his mother's one and only dream, that he has to join the defense services. So he came back home and joined his study table to study. Thank you.
Hello friends, from the picture shown to us, I perceived that there is a male character. His name is Jerry, 25 years old, and his mood is negative. From this, the story here goes like this. He was not ready for his wife to pass away. The last moments with his wife were the moments that he was not able to give himself to her in his fullest. He was just praying that he might not lose a wife, but life took a bad turn, and then he lost him. At the end, this after he buried her, and
from the story, I perceive a central character named Ram, a 25-year-old boy, mood neutral. Today, his grandfather's death anniversary, and he decided to do three best things. He gave some money to the child helping NGO. Second thing, he gave food and clothes to the poor and needy peoples. And the last thing, he gave some food to the street dogs and
Hello friends, in a given picture I perceive one male character whose name is Aman, age 21 year old, and the mood of my story in Aman is neutral. Aman is a 21 year old, he is a student of BBA from BBC College, Kanpur. Aman is also doing a part-time job in a edtech private company. One day he heard about his boss that he was passed away, so he was to give a tribute to his boss in a graveyard. Thank you.
Hello friends, and there was one character I received which picture shown to us, whose name is Ram, 23 years old. Today is Ram's birthday. He always celebrates his birthday with his family, but now his mother was not live, so he went to the graveyard of his mother and bring some flowers with him.
Well friends, from the given story I received that there is one single character whose name is Ram, and he was 23 years old and he was in BHU. He was doing his MSc from BHU University. One day on Sunday, basically holiday, he decided that he will clean his house, and because his mother was not well, he was feeling not well, and on that day he decided to clean his whole house, basically the clothes and utensils also, and the end of the day he decided to bring some medicines for his mother for his cure. And at the last, we can see that Ram is a very helpful and determined boy. That's all from us.
Hello friends, I observe from the picture a boy whose name is Kamal, and he is an active boy. So his father he want to take a test for that boy, and he gave him a hammer to break something. That's sorry.
Hello friends, I have perceived only one character in my story that is shown to us. His name is Ram. His name is Rajesh. He is 22 years old, having positive mood. He belongs to an village which is not very much developed. He is a woodcutter, and the action of my story is same. He decided to change his conditions and his village conditions. So he decided that he will open a factory having woods and introduce their houses of making of woods. He also learned about some medical plant facilities, and with his hard work he developed a medical plant care center. Now his factory is leading in his village, and his village condition is now very good. And thank you.
Hello friends, I observed a single character from this picture shown to us, and named Rajesh. He was a school student who was he aged 15, and he was much attached to her mother, and recently his mother has passed away. And when his mother was alive, she was expecting him to score, and he was in class 12, so she was expecting him to score 90 plus in the marks. So when she passed away during his exams, so he was he managed him to perform well in the exams. Anyhow, he performed well, and after getting the result the day, he got 90 plus. So he just went to his mother's graveyard to just in the memory of that her mother expecting him to get good marks.
Hello friends, I observed a male character at the age of 23. The mood as negative. In my story, both friends, Rahul and Sam, they were good friends from the academy days. After commissioning, one got posted near Kargil and another was somewhere near Delhi, and the war broke out between India and Pakistan. Unfortunately, Sam lost his life in the war, but without knowing this, Rahul's regiment was moved towards Kargil, and after the war got over, he came to know about his demise and came to the graveyard, and he made sure that he will take care of Sam's family.
Hello friends, I observed one character named Raj, a 16-year-old with positive attitude. My story is Ram was going to school in the morning, and it was winter season, and it was foggy environment. Suddenly he saw a kitten beside the shrubs. It was in a very critical condition due to cold. So he held it under the blanket and placed it near the fire, and he treated it very well, and also gave it milk, and after some time when it get well, he felt a glad sense of relief. Thank you.
I have observed in the image there were male characters, and his age is 19 years, and having mood positive, and that is my central characters. And he is now his name is Ram, and now he is after engineering for diploma. And at that times, and he had got opportunity and to posted in Lucknow, and as in a private company. And then he has a great desire to save our environments, and he has great interest in our environments, and also he would like to do something for our environments. And then after some days he got opportunity to visit some places like some places Gomti rivers places, and there are other places. And then at that places he see the condition of the rivers Gomti. And then at that times he felt the river condition of the river was not good, and there were many pollutions in the rivers. And then with the help of the local peoples, so he appealed with the relevant authority, and to make any project and to remove the pollution such as. And then soon the government initiated programs and schemes not only for this. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, friends. I perceive a single character named Joseph, age 26, and he's male. He was as my main character of the story. Joseph, recently his wife passed away, and he was in a very good relationship with her. So to show the love between them, he decided to make a grave of her in his backyard. Even though she died, she decided to live with her soul forever of his life. Thank you.
Friends, from this picture I have perceived one male character, Ram, who is the hero of my story, 20 years old, a student from Rajasthan University, Jaipur. Action of my story is help people in crimination of a man. One day Ram was returning from his college. He saw some people who were taking a man for his crimination. They got some problem due to traffic. Ram, along with his friends, supported them to cross the traffic, and he also supported them in crimination. Ram, along with his friend, he gave encouragement to the family of the dead man, and for their effort, the family of dead man helped Ram, thanked Ram. Thank you.
Hello, friends. From the picture shown to us, I observed a male whose age is near about 25 years, and he is positive, and he is my central character. And in the story, he saw a default in his duty, and go and come with his all equipments, and clear all the doubt default, and suggested all his colleagues to clear his default. Thanks.
Hello friends, Anuj is my central character, male with 19 years old with positive mood. Action of my story is got selected and remembering his mother. His mother was dead when he was 6 years old. Now he got selected in NDA written exam. Now he visited to him every year. He visits to his mother graveyard in death anniversary. After some time he also got recommended and got in merit list, and then he visited to his mother graveyard and remembered all his teachings. After that he went to for the flight and airport. Now, he joined the academy, and after training he commissioned.
Hello friends, from their story I observed one male character. His name is Ram, and his age is 24 years, and he is in neutral mode. The action of my story is tribute to his grandfather. Ram loves his grandfather very much. One day on the fourth death anniversary of his grandfather, he goes to graveyard and remember the memory of his grandfather, and he also hold the flower for keep at the place of where his grandfather body dipped. That's all.
Hello friends, I perceive a young character, a man character from the given photo, as it name as Rohan, 25-year-old, a college student. Just a few months later, he is going through a devastation situation that his best friend got died in an accident. To give a tribute to him, he goes to graveyard and contribute that he will do what his friend want to do. Thank you.
Hello friends, I perceive from the story a male character Rahul of 20 years of age and in neutral mood putting flowers on the cemetery of his elder brother Karan. My story is Rahul's elder brother Karan was in CRPF and was deployed in the region of Kashmir. While he was checking the vehicles which was entering the state, he found a van filled with explosives. The van tried to flee away, but Karan ran after him, and while in the incidents he was shot, but bled to death. But his incidents and bravery prevented the explosion in the state. Here, Rahul is showing his gratitude and putting flowers on the grave of his elder brother and showing his respect. Thank you.
Well friends, from the picture observed, I noted a main character named Anil, 23 years age and male, in a positive mood. And here goes my story, that Anil is studying in Lucknow University. His mother has passed the last year, and now he have overcome the sadness, and now he on every weekend he went to his mother graveyard and cleaned the graveyard as well as the other surrounding near the graveyard, so the graveyard can look good, and paint the fences and took good care of that graveyard where his mother was buried. And then he passed the college and get a good job in a private company, and then took care of his family happily.
Hello friends, from the picture shown to us, I perceived one character which is Raghav. His age is 18 years and which is in a negative mood. My story revolves around Raghav and his father. Since in the childhood, his father focused on his studies, and he forces his decision on Raghav. But sorry friends.
Hello friends, I observed in my story the main character is Ram, 22 years old, in positive mood. He is praying. He is gone to graveyard for praying on his mother death anniversary. So Ram is a boy and he is gone for graveyard for praying his mother on his mother death anniversary, and he loves his mother so much, and every year and in a busy life he scheduled one day on his mother death anniversary. He goes and he talks and other things, and he wished to God for his mother. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Through this story I perceive one character, that is my central character, Rahul, age 18-year-old, neutral mood. Rahul was a class 10th student living in a Bhopal, and nearby his house there was a graveyard. From his very childhood time he used to observe people used to come offer prayers and flowers at the regular interval. But the time passes, they moved from that places, and on the regular interval they are not able to come to that place. So Rahul decided along with his friend to do the regular visit and offer prayers and flowers to the graveyard.
Holding a bunch of flowers like a bouquet on graveyard, and at their atmosphere like there is a plus sign, that means they are in graveyard. So I think that the boy and other characters as we take in our stories like this, and he's gone for graveyard for someone's thing on his death anniversary or any other things that the main character is like.
Is a boy visiting someone's graveyard? Maybe a friend, a father, or anyone.
And still it is a boy and anything that we like to do, and graveyard, his mother and anything.
As crowd is not there, we can assume that he is going on Remembrance Day. If a death is a sudden, more people come. As crowd is not there, we can assume that he is going on Remembrance Day for someone.
And we can also say that chest number 145 said, a friend waits after war in his martyred friend, and he's gone for bell wishing. And the idea of number 145 is also good.
Actually, he fulfilled the dreams of her mother of becoming an NDA aspirant, and after that, he was going to her graveyard by taking a bunch of flowers and telling that her son has achieved what she required.
But if we take the result of the story, then it will be a person is going for the well wishing for another person in that graveyard.
Some parts are clear that the graveyard is looking there, and we can see that one only main character is there. So and the motto can be about the cleanness, as the chest number 145 said, or 146 said that it is about the friend. So we can keep also that, and we can show that the character is in a positive mood. That's why
I don't think we should go with the cleanliness.
Gentlemen, according to me, what I think that we can go with both, because when you go to graveyard, there might be some dust or there might be some flowers fall on which might be old, so he can.
But it isn't necessary that he will clean whole graveyard. He will clean only his.
He will stood in front of a single. He will stood in a single graveyard in front of us in a single graveyard. So we can easily say that he is well wishing for someone who loves him. Yeah.
But for who? For whose death is interest?
So it can be what can be perceived
We
that.
should tell them, na. So we should have a proper name.
So as we can see that most of the gentlemen are saying that mother is a good character.
Yeah, mother is a good character.
Now
we should discuss the name of the character. You can't give the friend.
It is not clearly mentioned that mother is only graveyard there, so we cannot.
That's what I am asking now.
No, but most of the candidates are
considering the mother, so I think we should consider the mother.
As we are going to that the mother is dead,
If we consider mother, then it not should be.
So as we move on.
Yeah, I think it should be considered in the neutral mood.
It should be.
No,
it
can't be
considered
considered in
neither in the
the
negative
lost
sense.
someone, so.
But he has lost it earlier, so in the memory of her mother, he has went to the
Yeah, but
graveyard.
whenever you remember your grief, your mood tends to be negative.
No, it's not.
But he want to convey his favor.
He can went there for good memories with her mother, so it can be neutral mood also, being in the good memories.
Yeah, we can go.
So this story did not mention that there is a death. He is simply visiting the graveyard.
It is fine. Mother's death is fine.
Yes.
And if boy is
We can
visiting
find the
what
character.
is the reason?
I think
On his mother that anniversary.
And what the conclusion?
If there will be death,
And
and
after-
there will be more people there. The family will be also
It
there.
shouldn't be anniversary. Death
It
anniversary.
is a regular visit to the graveyard area.
Mother's dream would be better, I think.
I think considering his exam result can be considered
What
like
is
his mother.
moving on life is the reality. This is the truth that we have to accept.
I
So
think
moving
You
on.
have to move
Well,
on.
friends, we are seeing that we are making confusion. So instead of that, make the story straight and forward. That that a person is going to her mother's graveyard and he is remembering his mother. Simple.
I think story that should be
Yeah, so moving on.
So we should try to remember what is the present situation, past, and then we are only focusing on point that is there is a graveyard and there is a mother's.
I think we should give the conclusion to the chest number 219, and she should say about the conclusion.
Well, my conclusion was that he came back home to fulfill his mother's dream. Should we go with this?
Visiting his mother's graveyard by completing his mother's dream.
No, he will go back to home and complete his mother's dream by preparing for defense services.
I think
That's what I'm asking for conclusion.
I think conclusion should be taken like his mother expected him to join defense forces, and after getting joined in the defense forces.
Okay, right. Last 2 minutes for you to make a good story. Okay, please carry on.
I think story should be taken like his mother expected him, wanted him to join defense forces, and after getting recommended for the defense
So he
forces,
I agree with just now. Okay, now he is going to tell the story to the teachers.
I think 116 should be because he's got a bold voice.
Very small.
Please, you are ready with the group story?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please.
From the, as we can see that most of the candidates are accepted in the story that there is a man, 23-year-old, and he want to and he is giving his SSB, and his mother wants also that he get recommended, but after all that his mother died, and after that he get recommended, and when he get recommended, and after that he goes to his mother graveyard to see to fulfill his dream and to remember that mother, I have fulfilled your dreams.
Okay. All of you agree with the story? Yes, sir. All are in?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So we are going to share the result with you for this thing, stage 1 testing. Now, first of all, whatever the result is, do not get disappointed. It is first time most of you are doing this exercise. Okay. So idea is to get a feel of this today, and next time when you perform, you must incorporate those points which will be told to you now. Okay, so do not get dejected or disappointed because of the result is not very, very healthy. Okay, so now first of all, so are you ready for the result?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So first of all, there is no clear-cut recommendation for the stage 1 as of now, based on your performance today. All right. However, there are certain candidates who have been considered to be on the borderline, but if they learn quickly and improve next time, they will very, very positively towards the yes side. They will be recommended for the stage. Okay. So now what we are going to follow is we are going to announce the result of these 3 candidates. Overall 3 candidates have been found on the borderline. Okay. So I'll just call out the chest numbers and they should get up. So one is 116. Thereafter is 184. Who is 184? Right. And thereafter also 188. Right. So these 3 candidates have been recommended for the stage 2 today. Okay, so kindly clap for them. But as we said, they are also doubtful in the sense they are on the border, so they also need to improve various aspect of their story, this test. Okay, now please sit down.
See, this is purely test of your imagination, right? क्या आप imagination दिखाते हैं, ये सबसे important है. पता है क्या हुआ? Why this is combined result from our side कि कोई clear cut नहीं है, because ज़्यादातर ने किसी ने अपनी mother को मार दिया, किसी ने अपनी wife को मार दिया, and if you commit this kind of blunder, you're not going to get the screening. यार grandmother को कर देते, कुछ और दूर से कर देते, कुछ और थोड़ा सा दूर, and कुछ candidates ने इस पे clearly लिखा भी है, but ज़्यादातर अगर 90% candidate को बोलूँ तो they have committed this blunder. एंड वाई यू हैव कमिटेड दिस ब्लंडर, क्योंकि ये स्लाइड का पैटर्न ऐसा दिखाया गया था, और ऐसी स्लाइड जब आती है तो ज़्यादातर धड़ाम हो जाते हैं. क्योंकि ये स्लाइड कैसी थी, नाउ लेट मी डिस्कस अबाउट द पैटर्न ऑफ द स्लाइड. ये स्लाइड प्योरली नेगेटिव थी. इस स्लाइड में अगर आप देखेंगे तो यहाँ पे नेगेटिव में आपका फ्रस्ट्रेशन, आपकी नेगेटिव एस्पेक्ट ऑफ लाइफ, ये सब बाहर आ जाता है. तो हमने इसीलिए पहली स्लाइड नेगेटिव आपको दिखाई. एंड ऑल्सो योर इमोशनल क्वेश्चन, इफ यू नॉट इमोशनली बैलेंस, मदर से तो तुम्हें दूर रहना है, आपको मदर लव दिखाते हैं.
सन 2022 में भारत में सर्वाधिक सिलेक्शन देने के बाद अब सन 2023 में बारी है अपने ही रिकॉर्ड को तोड़ने की। आप भी बन सकते हैं हमारे इस कारवां का हिस्सा, हमारी ऐतिहासिक कामयाबी का इस हिस्सा। आज ही संपर्क करें हमारे ऑफिशियल नंबर पर और ज्वाइन करें सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी।